If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. General ledger reports show the detail of transactions recorded by various journals by account number. To view the basic general ledger reports in Sage 50 Accounting, select Reports and Forms, General Ledger from the menu bar. In the Select a Report or Form window that appears, click the General Ledger report to view from the list at the right. To preview the selected report, click the Display button in the toolbar of the window. To print the report shown in the preview window, click the Print button. The Account Variance Report displays the actual amount, budgeted amount, variance amount, and variance percent for the accounts and periods you select. The Account Variance Dual Budgets Report displays the actual amount, budget amount, variance amount, and variance percent for two budgets for the accounts and periods you select. The Budget Report shows the period and year-to-date budget amounts. The Cash Account Register Report lists all transactions affecting a selected cash account along with a running balance. The Chart of Accounts Report lists all account numbers, descriptions, and account types. You can use this report to verify all the accounts you've created within a Sage 50 company file. The General Journal Report lists all general journal transactions for the selected date range. The General Ledger Report lists transactions in each account for the selected accounting period. It shows the activity and balance for each account. The General Ledger Trial Balance Report lists the current balance in each account and also shows history for the selected accounting period. The Transaction Detail Report shows all transactions that match your specified search criteria. The Working Trial Balance Report lists the accounts and their debit or credit balances. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.